Welcome back to the channel. My name's CJ, and today I wanted to make a video because I am starting the process of looking for a new tractor. Now those of you who have watched the channel for a while are probably thinking, why does he need another tractor? You know that I already have the LS XR4040, a 40 horsepower diesel, and I also have the 1957 Ford 850. But the reason for me wanting another tractor is because I want something that is going to be able to mow our yard and also do some other jobs that I'm going to get into here in a second. So what I have made is a list of tractor brands, and we're going to go through what I have researched and found out about it. And hopefully if you're looking for a tractor, that this will help you out a little bit too. Okay, so before we even start, what I'm looking for is in the 25 horsepower range tractor. And then I want a front end loader, a belly mower, and a backhoe. And the reason I wanted to get a backhoe for this tractor instead of the 40 horse LS is because it's a smaller tractor and I'll be able to fit into any spot that I'll need to be able to fit into, and it's going to handle any job that I have around here on the farm. So I've made a list here up on the board. I've got some different tractor brands. I have visited some different dealers, and I just wanted to make this video in case any of you are looking for a tractor, that maybe some of the information that I've gathered will help you out deciding on what tractor brand or what tractor you're going to buy. So nowadays it seems like most tractor brands are pretty well built. I mean, you're going to have your lemons no matter what brand you go with. But for me, what I look for when I first start looking for a tractor, first off is the price. That's what draws me in. I want a good price for as much tractor as I can get. And then the next thing that's most important to me is the dealer. Can I deal with the dealer? Is he going to be fair? Is he going to give me help when I need it? Is he going to fix my tractor? Is he going to do it in a proper amount of time? Is he going to work with me? Or the mechanic's going to work with me? That's all stuff that I look into before I'm buying a tractor. And then finally, the warranty. I'm not so concerned with how long the warranty is. Yes, that is a factor, but what I'm more concerned is, do they actually honor the warranty? Or are they going to give you trouble about it? Are they going to fight with you about it? Or are they going to actually stand true and hold up to the warranty? You see that I have John Deere, Kubota, and Mahindra down here. Reason is, I'm not really looking at any of these. The reason for John Deere and Kubota, John Deere, they make good tractors. For you guys, I know you guys out in the Midwest, out west, in the big farms, John Deere makes good equipment. I'm not saying that they don't. But as far as compact tractors go, I'm not impressed with them. Just the materials that they use for them, they're not as durable as the equipment that you're getting out there to use on your big farms. Kubotas are good tractors. I can't say nothing bad about them. My grandfather has one, my dad has one, but getting replacement parts, they are so expensive. So you're kind of just paying for the name for both of these. So I put them down in the corner and kind of mark them off. Now Mahindra, they make a strong looking tractor. They look durable, but man, there are so many videos on YouTube of people having trouble with them. And I've seen electrical problems that they have trouble with too, and I just kind of been leery of Mahindras for a long time. So I put them down in the bottom corner too. Not ruling them out completely, but that's where they stand right now. So coming over here to the middle of the board, I've got TYM and RK, which stands for Rural King Tractors. As you all know, TYM and Rural King are the same tractor. They just put the Rural King name on the side of the tractor. So this is where I need all of your help. If any of you own a TYM or especially a Rural King tractor, I would like to hear from you. Put any experience that you've had getting warranty work done or getting any kind of repairs done on your tractor, and leave that down in the comments so all of us can see what kind of experience you've had with getting any work done. I've talked to a former TYM dealer. He said he dropped TYM because they are being difficult when it comes to warranty work. So that was kind of a red flag for me. I want to know if that is the same experience that you guys have seen, or if it's just this one dealer. I don't know. But that's what I've heard, and so I've just put them in the middle right now. He also told me that he gets a lot of Rural King tractors, or he did, that were coming in for warranty work to his TYM dealership because Rural King wasn't covering it. Now that could go from store to store, or that could maybe not be true at all. That's why I need your help. And that's the point of this whole video, is to figure out what's true, what isn't, what experience you've had, the information that I've gathered. We can put it all together and we can figure out which tractor is best for ourselves. So I'm going to leave TYM, the Rural King tractors, in the middle right now. I like the availability. I have a Rural King not too far away, so I just want to keep that as an option. But moving over here to this side of the board, I guess these would be my top 4 that I'm looking at right now. I've got a Branson dealer an hour and a half away, LS, same thing, an hour and a half, Kioti, hour and a half, and a Massey Ferguson dealer about 45 minutes away. So I've been to Branson, I like that dealer, and I could deal with him. LS, I've already got an LS dealer, and I very much appreciate them. And before we go any further, I've said before, I would buy another LS. The point that I'm looking at different brands here is not because I'm disgusted with LS or I'm having trouble. I'm not having any trouble at all. I just wanted to see what the other brands offer and then see what you guys would like to see me run here on the farm and make videos of. Next up, Kioti. I have not been there yet, but I looked at them before I bought my LS, and I never got to visit a dealer, but I'm excited to go check them out. And Massey Ferguson, I've been to a dealer. He's on the other side of the county, and I could deal with them too. So like I said, I have visited Branson, LS, and Massey Ferguson. I have not yet been to a Kioti dealership yet, which I have time because none of these guys can get tractors in right now. Just the way things are, they cannot get tractors in. They're saying December or most likely 2022. Be sure to put any experiences, any facts that you know about these tractors in the comments. That way we can all share information and help each other out. You know, it's difficult when you're looking for a new tractor to gather all the information and to know which brand to go with. And it's going to be different for everybody because the price is going to be different for you where you're at, and the dealer is going to be different for you where you're at. So make sure you got a good dealer. I can't emphasize that enough because I see guys all the time having trouble with their dealers, and that's just a nightmare. So this is where I'm at right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it's helpful. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. That way you can see what I do eventually end up getting. It's going to be a while, but I hope this is helpful. And until next time, thanks for watching.